Welcome to KWFit. I'm Ken. This video is part of the Fit1Too workout program. Coming up next, we're going to go through the moves you need to know for Circuit 4 using resistance bands. Now, this circuit is pretty similar to Circuit 1 and Circuit 2 in that we have 6 moves per round and we're trying to do 4 rounds within 30 minutes. Now, the main difference here is that instead of working in the 12 to 15 rep range, we're now in the 8 to 12 rep range. That means that if you can do more than 12 reps, you need to increase your load. If you can't get to 8 reps, then you need to decrease your load until you get into that 8 to 12 range. Now, make sure you have your workout guide with you. That's available at KWFit.com. It's got a lot of really good information in it, plus it's going to allow you to track these workouts so you'll see how well you're progressing throughout the course of the program. Don't get too hung up on whether or not you get through all 4 rounds within 30 minutes. The main thing is that you track your progress in that workout guide, and then the next time you do this workout, you try to get just a little bit better. That may mean doing more rounds, adding more reps, adding more weight, whatever it is, you just want to try to improve a little bit every time you do this workout. Okay, let's get on to the moves. Our first move for this workout is squats. Now, we did squats back in Circuit 1, so I'm not going to review them again here in this video. I will, however, put a link down below in case you need a refresher. You can view that video and then come back to this. The main thing here is to remember that we're in that 8 to 12 rep range. So whatever resistance you were using in Circuit 1, chances are you're going to need to increase it in order to get into that proper range of 8 to 12. Next up, we have in and out shoulder raises. I'm going to set this up in that lunge position by putting the band under my back foot, just like this. My arms are going to be down to my side, my back is nice and straight, my shoulders are down and back as if I'm putting my shoulder blades in my back pocket. I know you're probably tired of hearing me say that. But what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to bring my arms up full in front of me, just like this. Palms are down. My hands are about shoulder width apart, and then I'm going to come back down again. And then for the next rep, I'm going to go out to the side like this, and then back down. So every time your arms go up, count it as a rep. So this would be rep 1. I'm going to come back down, and then this will be rep 2, and then back down. Don't bring your arms up any higher than shoulder height. Your arms should be about parallel to the floor, and then come back down again. The same thing here. Make sure your arms are about parallel to the floor, and then come back down. Now, if you find yourself trying to help your arms up by swinging your hips forward, or if you're starting to shrug your shoulders or bend your elbows, that might be an indication that you're using too much weight. So start off light with this one at first until you get used to the move, then you can increase weight as you go. Now make sure you're alternating which leg you put in front every round. So if I had my left leg forward this round, next round I'm going to put my right leg forward. Next up, we have in and out curls, and we're going to set this up just like we did for our normal curls. My feet are going to be about shoulder width apart. I'm lining the bands up underneath the arches of my feet. My knees are slightly bent. My back is nice and straight. Shoulders are down and back. My elbows are glued into my sides. From here, I'm going to do a normal curl up, and when I get to the top of the rep, I'm going to bring my arms out to the side, and then I'm going to come down on the side like that, nice and controlled. So normal rep up, bring it out to the side, and then down again. What we're doing here is we're really emphasizing the eccentric part of this movement, or the downward part of the movement. You're going to find it's a lot harder to control that weight when you bring your arms out here to the side and you're trying to lower your hands back down to the beginning part of the move. So once again, bring it up to the center, bring it out to the side, and then control it on the way down, just like that. Next up, we have tricep pull-downs. Now, similar to the lat pull-downs that we've done, you're going to take your bands and you're going to anchor them high up on the door. Now, make sure you check the instructions that came with the manufacturer of your bands to make sure that you're securing this properly to the door. For demonstration purposes here, I'm going to take the band and put it over my pull-up bar here. And then I'm going to come down onto my knees. So I start off with tension on the band. And I'm going to bring my arms down, so I'm starting off at a 90-degree angle here to the floor, and so my forearms are parallel to the floor. I'm going to bring my arms down to either side, just like this, and then come back to that starting position where I have a 90-degree angle on my elbows and my forearms are parallel to the floor. So come back down, straighten the arms, and then like this. Now, make sure you're not leaning forward and using your upper body to help bring those bands down, okay? This is not proper form. You want to just focus on the triceps, that muscle that's right here in the back of your arm. That should be doing all the work to get your arms straight and back down to your side. If you're having to use your upper body to muscle the bands down, then that's a good indication that you're using too much weight. Next up, we have bent over rows. I'm going to take the band and put it underneath both feet. I've taken the handles off. I prefer doing it this way, and you can use the handles if you want to. My feet are going to be about shoulder width apart, and my feet are in a straight line. My knees are slightly bent. I got my back nice and straight, and I'm leaning forward. From here, I'm going to pull the band up into my chest, bring my elbows up past my back, and then I'm going to come back down again. Now, if you focus on bringing your elbows up to the ceiling, that'll help guide you through the right motion of bringing your hands up and focusing really in between your shoulder blades as you're pulling that band into your chest. So once again, pull your thumbs up into your chest, just like that. Let your elbows go as far behind your back as you can, and then come back down again, just like that. And make sure you bring your hands all the way down before you step off the band so it doesn't fly up and hit you when you're done. We're going to end our circuit by doing 4 count push-ups. So I'm going to get down into push-up position, and I'm going to count to 4 on my way down. 1, 2, 3, 4. When I get to the bottom of my rep, I'm going to come up fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, come up fast. Now I'm doing push-ups here on my toes. You can do them on your knees, and I showed you in other videos how you can do push-ups against a wall or by using a chair. So whatever you need to do, concentrate on going down slow and coming up fast. Now if you're someone that can do more than 20 push-ups, you might need to grab that backpack, put some weight in it so you can get into that 8 to 12 rep range. Okay, that's it. Those are the moves you're going to need for circuit 4. Now don't get worried about whether or not you make it through all 4 rounds within 30 minutes. The main thing here is that you track everything in that workout guide, and then the next time you do this workout, you try to get just a little bit better. So if you're liking these videos, please let us know. You can subscribe to us on YouTube, give us a thumbs up there, leave us some feedback, also connect with us on Facebook. We want to hear from you. All right, it's time for you to do the workout. Good luck. I'll see you next time.